ChatGPT gives great advice. But what if your AI could actually do stuff? Genspark's super agent is changing the game. Let's put it to the test. Imagine this. You're craving a night out, so you ask your AI to book a table at your favorite restaurant. Most AIs would hand you a list of options and say, good luck. But what if your AI didn't just talk about it? What if it picked up the phone, dialed the restaurant, and secured your spot? That's the dream, right? An AI that doesn't just chatter endlessly, but rolls up its sleeves and gets stuff done. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head showdown between two heavyweights. ChatGPT, the king of conversation and reasoning, and Genspark's super agent, an AI built to take action. What if AI stopped talking and started doing? Let's find out. Why compare these two? ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a linguistic powerhouse. It can craft essays, explain quantum physics, or brainstorm your next big idea, all with a few keystrokes. But when the rubber meets the road, it often stops at suggestions, leaving you to execute the plan. Enter Genspark's super agent, a newer contender designed not just to advise, but to complete tasks in the real world. Think of it as the difference between a friend who says, "You should try that new Italian place," and one who books the table, orders the wine, and texts you the details. Today, we're pitting these two against each other in 5 practical challenges to see who comes out on top. It's action versus answers. Let's roll. Challenge 1. Book a restaurant table for tonight. First up, booking a dinner reservation for tonight. April 6th, 2025. I ask ChatGPT, "Can you book me a table at a nice restaurant?" It responds with a curated list of local spots, say an Italian bistro and a sushi joint, complete with phone numbers and a suggestion to call ahead. Helpful? Sure. But I'm still the one dialing. Now, I turn to Super Agent with the same request. Its interface hums to life. It asks for my location and preferences. Italian 7 p.m., party of 4. Then, here's the kicker. It uses a voice API to call the restaurant. I watch a live demo as it navigates the call. "Hi, I'd like to book a table for 4 at 7 p.m. tonight." The restaurant confirms, and Super Agent pings me with the details. Reservation secured at Trattoria Bella, 7 p.m. One finds the info, the other books the table. Point to Super Agent. Challenge 2. Generate, summarize, and email a weekly report. Next, I need a weekly report based on some sales data. Numbers I've been too busy to crunch. ChatGPT shines here. I feed it the raw figures, and it spits out a concise summary. Sales up 15% this week, driven by a 20% spike in online orders. It even drafts a polished email. Subject, weekly sales update. Team, here's the rundown. But I still have to copy-paste it into Gmail and hit send. Super Agent takes it further. I upload the same data, and it generates a similar summary, but then it formats the report into a sleek template, integrates with the Gmail API, and sends it to my team, all without me lifting a finger. The email lands in their inboxes, complete with a sent by Super Agent footer. ChatGPT drafts it, Super Agent delivers it. Another win for action. Challenge 3. Plan and coordinate a weekend trip. Time for a getaway. I asked both AIs to plan a weekend trip for April 12th, 2025. ChatGPT delivers a detailed itinerary. Head to Asheville, North Carolina. Book a room at the Omni Grove Park Inn, rent a car, and check out the Biltmore Estate. Local events include a craft fair on Saturday. It's a solid plan with links and tips, but I'm left to make the bookings. Super Agent, however, turns planning into execution. I give it the same prompt, and it searches for hotels, snags a room at the Omni, confirming availability via an API, books a rental car, and scours event listings for that craft fair. It then creates a Google Calendar entry, April 12th, 8 a.m., depart for Asheville, and emails me the full itinerary with confirmations. Planning versus booking. The difference is night and day. Super Agent takes this round. Challenge 4. Real-world problem solving. Rebook a canceled flight. Now, a curveball. My imaginary flight from New York to Chicago on April 7th, 2025 just got canceled. ChatGPT steps up with a logical response. Check the airline's website, look for flights tomorrow morning, and call customer service if needed. It even links me to Delta's rebooking page and suggests a few flight times. Useful, but I'm still the one logging in and clicking through. Super Agent dives into the deep end. I give it my flight details and login credentials, securely, of course. It accesses the airline's system, finds a 9 a.m. replacement flight, books it, and emails me the updated itinerary. You're rebooked. Delta Flight 123, April 8th, 9 a.m. It adapts to the chaos in real time, while ChatGPT hands me a roadmap. Super Agent adapts. ChatGPT suggests. Point 4 to the doer. Challenge 5. Make a YouTube video from prompt to upload. Last up, create a YouTube video from scratch. I give ChatGPT a prompt, and so make a 5-minute video on why AI matters. It quickly generates a solid script. AI is transforming industries, from healthcare to finance. It even tosses in helpful production tips. Try Canva for your visuals, record a voiceover using your mic, and stitch it all together in iMovie. It's a great starting point, but at the end of the day, I'm still the editor, voice actor, and production crew. To get the video polished and published, I'd spend hours sourcing visuals, syncing audio, and learning video editing shortcuts. Then comes Super Agent, and it goes full Hollywood. I give it the exact same prompt. This time, it writes the script and records a smooth, natural-sounding voiceover using text-to-speech. It pulls in stock visuals from a free media library, matches them to the narration, adds transitions, and edits everything into a cohesive video, all automatically. Then, with my YouTube login, which I securely provided once, it uploads the finished product directly to my channel. The result? A clean, professional 5-minute video titled, Why AI Matters, now live. I click play. Crisp narration, sleek graphics, tight pacing. This isn't just a tool. It's a full production team in one. Super Agent aces the final challenge. Wrap up. Who should use which AI? After 5 rounds, the verdict is clear. But it's not about crowning a single champ. ChatGPT, and its ilk, is a master of knowledge. Need a quick explanation, a brainstorm session, or a poem for your crush? It's your go-to. It's fast, versatile, and brilliant for ideation or creative writing. But when the task demands execution, booking tables, sending emails, or uploading videos, it hands you the baton and steps back. Genspark's Super Agent, meanwhile, is built for the real world. It thrives on automation and interaction, turning requests into results with minimal human fuss. It's ideal for busy professionals, small businesses, or anyone who'd rather say, do it, than tell me how. The catch? It's less about deep reasoning and more about getting the job done. These AIs aren't rivals, they're specialists with different missions. ChatGPT is the wise professor, dispensing insights. Super Agent is the tireless assistant, checking off your to-do list. You don't replace a pen with a robot, unless the robot writes, prints, and mails your letter. Choose based on what you need, answers or action. For me, having both in my corner sounds like the ultimate power move.